Now this is the second experiment called as resonance tube. This is a resonance tube which consists of a jar filled with water, and inside this jar is kept a tube which is called as a resonance tube. This is a jar and this is a tube which is a hollow tube, and this is placed inside the jar with the help of a by fixing it on a stand. Okay, this is the arrangement of the resonance tube. Now we have to take reading for this one in a similar manner as we took for for sonometer. Here again we are having 5 tuning forks arranged in decreasing order. The first one is 512, second one is 480 Hertz, the third one is 384, the fourth one is 341, and the last one is 320 Hertz. So arrange these tuning forks in a decreasing order. This is a pad. Now here we measured the distance in sonometer. We measured the distance between the two bridges. Here we are going to measure the distance between the surface of the water. Can you all see the surface of water here inside the jar? Surface of water to the end of this resonance tube we are going to measure. वहाँ पर कैसे ब्रिज के बीच में डिस्टेंस मेजर किया था, इसमें सरफेस ऑफ वाटर टू द एंड ऑफ द ट्यूब का डिस्टेंस हम लोग मेजर करेंगे. नाउ हाउ टू परफॉर्म दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. नाउ दिस इज अ observation column. This is the observation column which consists of frequency of the length which are the same L, and this is the corrected length that I will tell you later on how to calculate the corrected length, and these are the main things which we are going to perform, which we are going to take the readings. Okay, so first I will take the tuning fork of 512 Hertz. This is 512 Hertz, and I will take the pad. Keep the distance initially between the surface of water and the end of the tube to be